Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Today, let's taste a flavor snake together crispy milk roll. The ingredients we're using today come from Jack and Kings. He said our crispy milk roll has a crispy interior, tender interior, and an excellent taste. Let's give it a try. No need to thaw the product. Heat the oil to the 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Then gently place the milk roll into the pan and fry it about 3 minutes. Be careful not to flip it frequently before the outer layer hardens. Now let's taste it. Wow! It's really delicious! The exterior is crispy and crunchy, while the inner filling has a pudding-like texture. With every bite, there is a rich milk aroma. It's incredibly tasty. Hurry and give it a try, everyone! That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time! Jack and Kings, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.